Hello. Today I will take you through a list of twin flame signs. These signs will help you to recognize your true twin flame. There are like few definite characteristic or definite energy uh, like that will help you on your twin flame journey to really recognize that yes, this is your true twin flame. Okay, so there are 10 list of characteristics that I have learned from Jeff and Shelia, and today I will express it in this video with my experiences. Okay, like how I experienced this list with on my twin flame journey. Okay, so I will add on what I have experienced. Okay, so it's not like that, like I'm going to share with you the 10 list and then 5 of them is going to match, 6 of them is not going to match. It's not like that. All 10 of this is going to match. Okay, all the 10 signs are going to match with your twin flame, with your true twin flame. So to start with it, you always know, you have seen so many videos, you would know the first and the core thing is your values always match up. Always. Okay, your values are always going to match up. That's the first thing, because you and your twin flame are one at the soul level. Okay, it's like the moment God has created you, God has created your twin flame, and your soul blueprint is same. Whatever you value in your life, like if you are inclined to doing anything in the environment, for the environment, on a deeper level you actually care, or you are a nurturing soul that you want to support for the nurturing of the earth. Okay, so that way you have to see. It's not like that you are in a job that is related to environment and they are not into that profession. It's not like that, but on a deeper level, as you care for the environment, for the earth, for the like for the overall development or overall ambience of the earth, so that everybody remains peacefully, so you will see that core value within them. Okay, this is how you have to start recognizing your values. So for me, it was like one of my core value is courage. Courage is just like how big the fear may look like. Okay, it's not like that I was not scared. I was all the time, I was scared, like fear was true for me, but I always choose to stand with my courage, with God. God was my courage to stand in my truth, and the fear actually falls away. And I do see that courage in my twin flame. Whatever may the situation be, in the outer or in the external, it's not big. You can get over it, and that's what is my core value, and that's what I extend to the people with whom I work, and that's exactly what my twin flame does. Okay, so this is how you have to start recognizing, or not like like I'm a masculine and I'm courageous, I'm doing like strong, going out and like fighting with everybody. It's not like that, right? It can look like externally with fighting like nicely outside, but you literally don't have courage to stand in your truth, right? You cannot even make a choice to claim your twin flame, right? So that's what is the core value. Okay, that's how you have to recognize. You have to first start with listing your core values. You have to first start recognizing what are all your core values. And it's okay, at times all your core values are not revealed to you. But as you keep making choices in self love and into your life purpose, all your core values will be revealed to you, and you will see the same exact reflection in your twin flame. Second point, like you can always see, it is always going to match your vision. Your vision for life is going to match. It's again linked to that. God has designed both of you in one pair. Like twin flames are a set. Okay, like a pair. It always comes in a pair. Okay, till the moment you choose your harmonious union, you will always expand. Your vision is same, that's why your life purpose always matches. You always come with a gift, with the same gift, and you always want to extend that gift to the world. It will always match. You will always have that desire to extend that love to the people around. In whatever core values you have, you'll extend that to the world. Yes, third point is you see what you desire in your heart in them. Yes, that's why it is always said, your twin flame journey is about self-love. You don't have to see them and get obsessed about them and forget about what are your desires. It's not about that, not at all. That's why every step of the process you have to keep loving yourself, so that you literally end up with your true twin flame. The whole process is you come into alignment with your authentic blueprint. You express your the true self. How can you express your true self? Only when you love yourself completely. You allow yourself to completely open up from within, and then extend that light to outside. Okay, so all through the journey you have to just align to your desires. Yes, I choose to be loved, and then see whether your twin flame is coming back and loving you. I choose the open communication, and you do that rigorously in all through your consciousness, and then see that your twin flame coming back to you and openly communicating with you. That's how you have to see. You list all your desire. That's why we say you make your love list. What you want, what I want. It always starts with what you want. What I wanted, that was my list, and whole process is God is bringing me what I want. My desires are true. My desires was not externally embedded within me. Your desires are always built with the process. When you are built, God has put that desire within you. You don't have to run from it. You are not doing anything wrong by making a choice to manifest that desire. The whole process of twin flame is, yes, you can manifest all your desire, and it starts with what you desire in your true twin flame. Okay, so go back and just review your love list, and they will continuously reveal they are your twin flame. 100%. Yes, when you are sure about what you desire truly, authentically, you have put on the list, they will time and again come back and prove, yes, they are your twin flame. Whatever list you make, it's not just to make you happy they will try to become someone. No, they will never do that. They will never do that. You stick to your list. They will time and again, in different situation, in very very different situation, they will come back and show, yes, this is what I am. It's like another core characteristic. It's like persistency. because your authentic self is never going to change, and that's exactly what is the person is reflecting. That person's or your twin flame's personality is consistent, is persistent. It will not change over a period of time. That's why the connection doesn't fail, because what you have desired, you are getting exactly that same, that fulfills you completely. Okay, going to the fifth point, your spiritual path points directly back to your twin flame. Okay, your spiritual path, like your twin flame journey is a spiritual journey, right? You know that. That's why it's a process of ascension. It's not a like romantic connection and then fall apart in another 1 year or 2 year. It's not like that. It's a process of revealing of your love. You find, you have to connect with the love that you desire within yourself, and you feel that what exactly you desire in your how you feel about the love that you desire within yourself, and you see that in the person, right? That person will fulfill that love within you. Like it is like you are making a choice to go deeper in your life purpose, so they are also making the same choice on a spiritual journey. So you will keep coming and crossing your path time and again, because you need to see there is a role of God here. God will like make situations where you are going to match, where we are going to meet together, interact together. Okay, so it's like that. And then the sixth point is, this will happen is like when you are like healed your separation, and then you are quite intimate with your twin flame. It's like when you make love with your twin flame, it will be a perfect match to your desire. What you desire on your sexually, like you sexually how you desire, is only your twin flame who is going to fulfill. And even if that if you feel like there are sexual blocks, so don't worry about it, because both of you are having always the same block. So at any moment both of you are going to match with each other with the vibration, so you will heal together. So like you don't have to block your union just because there is some block in sacral chakra or any other or root chakra or whatever chakra. You don't have to block your union. Your harmonious union happens over a choice that you are enough and you are complete. You can heal together, right? But if you still keep to choose that, yes, like you cannot choose harmonious union because you have this block, that block, and you don't feel that you are good enough within yourself, you cannot get, and all that you just get trapped in just process of healing yourself, and that actually comes from a block that you don't feel good enough. Okay, so just make a choice to have your harmonious union. You can absolutely heal your blocks with your twin flame. Any blocks you can heal. You can continue the healing journey and then ascend over together. Seventh point is your life path perfectly match as you generously choose to be together. Yeah, it is like twin flames are like they are not like bonded in a codependent relationship. So if you don't choose, if it is not your core choice to be in harmonious union, and you are not choosing that generously, your life path is not going to match. So always choose from the core of your heart. Always choose to be in harmonious union with your twin flame. There is no point in choosing separation. You have experienced enough of the contrast, enough of the suffering. So it's now time to choose union. Choose union with God. Choosing separation with twin flame is like choosing separation with God. And why would you make that insane choice, right? There is no point in making that choice. And as you keep choosing your harmonious union, your life path is going to keep matching, like whatever you choose within yourself, your twin flame will choose the same. There will be coincidence, like whatever you desire to eat, even your twin flame will start desiring the same. It's like that. That's why choose harmonious union. It's like not like any other relationship, like you are fighting over a plate of rice, this rice, that rice. Okay. And it is always peaceful to be in harmony in life, so that you can give your energy to others rather than just worrying about all your problems. Harmony is the start point. Peace is the start point. It is not like you'll get peace after dying and then something will happen in the heaven. You claim your heaven on earth by claiming your harmonious union on earth. Okay, claim your physical union. Yeah, this next point is very much similar. You grow naturally together. This point is very much related to your life purpose or anything, any growth you look into your finances, or even not even finances, like your overall like lifestyle. You will grow together. Okay? It will never be like you are more and your twin flame is lesser, or the other way around. Maybe initially you will see there is a difference, but it will not be like the difference is given so that you feel inferior to your twin flame. No, that point your twin flame is mirroring that you are a superior soul, like your vibration is already superior. Somewhere you are blocking that within yourself, right? And the moment you make a choice, God will start bringing in those opportunities so that you start claiming your abundance and you see yourself in equal vibration with your twin flame. Okay? So you will always grow together. It will never be like, like they will become something bigger than you and there will be jealousy and all that. That's not twin flame relationship. You will always grow together. You will always expand together. You will always ascend together. Yeah, the ninth point is when you continually choose your twin flame, they reveal genuinely. You have to, there have, like in the consciousness, there have been so many experiences. I have also gone through false twin flame experiences. Okay. But don't get lost in the illusion of the person or of the body, of the external. Always stay in harmony how you feel about your twin flame, how you feel about your true twin flame. Stay in alignment with that vibration. And only your true twin flame will genuinely reveal to that vibration. Only your true twin flame. Your false twin flame will never make a choice. Never make a choice to match with your vibration. You will see like you are like progressing, you are doing a lot of healing, you are progressing your life purpose, but you will not see your false twin flame like leaving everything and joining you in your life purpose. And then you just keep doubting whether you are on your true life purpose or not. You need to know that you are powerful enough, you are complete enough. Okay. So trust your healing. Trust God. You are healing with God, and only your true twin flame is going to come to join you. Okay. And the next point, they will be your best friend instantly. It will not be like it, your true twin flame, you will never be like obsessive about them on a first sight, like something romantic happen, but there will be a deep connection, there will be like, okay, I know this person, like very subtle feeling, I know this person. There will be some instances that had happened with this vibration. Very peaceful, very peaceful. They will never try to take anything from you, first thing. They will never make any choice to make you feel bad. They will never do that because they are you. Once you are out of your separation consciousness, you have healed all those rejection, abandonment, and you have aligned to self-love, you will see that same reflection in your twin flame. It's a very peaceful relationship. Okay, so keep aligned, stay aligned to self-love. Love yourself. What you desire, that matters, and trust that God is bringing the exact template to match your desire. You don't have to chase outside of you. Okay, so let me know how do you feel about this, and you can connect with me. I can help you all through the separation blocks and help you to choose your harmonious union. It's a very peaceful journey, and it's a gift that you have already chosen. You have already made this choice of harmonious union. So what's the point in holding yourself back? Just make a choice. God will bring in the support. Thank you. See you in the next video.